Another beautiful day here in Vienna.
And today we are going to explore the city.
And what a better way than start with ice cream.
I have lavender with cream.
And I have hazelnut. And it's very, very intense. So right now we're in the Karlsplatz in front
of the Baroque cathedral with a viewing platform which overlooks over the Vienna.
And it's right in front of us. Right here is a beautiful cathedral with, you know, a fountain or the water here, and a beautiful park behind us. And now we have made it to
Belvedere.
And we're gonna explore the park and see what it has to offer.
So only outside, but of course you can buy tickets and go inside.
These thoughts are just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this off my mind, oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said.
So the whole area of the Belvedere is beautiful. You have the beautiful building, beautiful pond, beautiful grass. Everything is beautiful and very cool.
And the grass looks like the grass in the US. It's perfectly cut all the way to the pavement, you know, everything is perfectly done. Like Evie said, it's beautiful. So, we have been to the upper Belvedere. So right here, we did go around the little lake here, or the little pond. And now we're gonna head to the lower Belvedere. Right behind you right now is the upper Belvedere, but we're going to the bottom Belvedere. And it looks beautiful, like the park, the open space here is amazing. And what's interesting about this place as other places in Vienna here is they seem to like to have those parks going up or down. Kind of makes a little bit different perspective.
This girl's not moved easily. Paint my portrait or write me a poem.
So Evie is leading us to the lower Belvedere, so it's right there. You can hear cheering over there because there's like a theater or something. But anyway, Evie is leading the way. Where? Which way?
Lower Belvedere.
Lower Belvedere. Okay. But which way? Which way?
Lower Belvedere.
Which way is it? Okay, so we're heading. This is the lower. Then if I turn around, this is the upper. So as you can see, this is where we are heading to. And as you can see, is all the gardens here all around, you know, fountains and everything. Looks very nice. So yeah, we're heading there, and then from there we're going to our favorite place always on every trip, which is about food. Yeah, food.
All the things I wanna do for you. Hungry.
So the whole garden area is so beautiful. Everything is well thought out, and also everything is so symmetrically designed that it looks perfect.
Yeah, everything is ideally, you know, split in the middle, left, right side, beautifully symmetrical. And you have things like
Fountains, gardens, flowers, everything.
like the water fountain here, that is beautiful. It basically gets the water up, and then it has like those taps. It's beautiful. And you have like all those gardens everywhere here, all the way like this one here. If you check this one, it's really, really beautiful here. Like the fountain here. It has the water up here, goes down, and then you have like the gardens here.
And the whole area of garden is a little steep, so you have perfect overview of the main point. and also the main point there.
And because, like Evie said, it's steep, even if you were to go down there, you will still see the things on the top, which is really cool. You still see like the garden. It's a little bit, like you said, steep, a little bit downhill. Really cool.
Yeah, very reasonable approach to design gardens and whole areas.
And it's beautiful.
Yes.
Wanted you to love me, but all I ever got was scars. You just keep on acting like you don't care. You've been hurting me like it's nothing, and telling me that you love me. I don't understand. You've been hurting me like it's nothing, and telling me that you love me. I don't understand. Baby, I'm so done with you.
So, right now we are in,
The Botanical Garden.
but unfortunately we were a little bit late because we got here 15 minutes before closing.
Yes, but the whole garden looks beautiful and it has themes and areas, so it's very cool.
And we get to see like a 1.5 theme, I would say.
Yeah,
But it is very beautiful.
and it's worth visiting.
So, we are right now in,
The Snab Park.
and let's get going because it looks like a beautiful park.
She leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better.
So right now we're in the park and it's very, very beautiful.
It's so well maintained and all the greenery is like lush and beautiful.
Yeah, it's really beautiful and it kind of reminds me of Chicago in a way, like the parks there.
And all the parks are perfect. We haven't seen any bad park.
Yeah, all of them are very, very good and look very good.
But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves.
And one more thing is, there's so many places to sit. If you look everywhere, there are places you can actually sit. Like every park we've been to is just full of seating, so it's very, very cool. And you can see that it's everything, like Evie said, it's so thought out.
That's where she'll go.
And this brings us to the end of today's video. There's a couple of things that I wanted to mention very quickly before we end this video. First off, if you like the music in this video or in any other of my work, check out down the links below for Epidemic Sound and Artlist. Second off, if you'd like to support our channel, check out my Patreon and my website. And last but not least, if you want to join a travel community, check out Travel the World. It's a Facebook travel community. If you're into that kind of stuff, check it out. It's gonna be linked down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you next time.
Go.